Thank you very much for clicking on this video. As you know, we will learn to draw a nose today. First we need to understand these shapes and the planes. Please look at this model and the three planes. As light is coming from the right side of the model, the yellow plane will be mostly lit up. Green plane is also lit up but not as much as the yellow plane, and blue plane will be dark. Now we can transform the model into a nose, and the same light theory will be applied. Let's try to draw a nose. First nasal bridge, then the wings of the nose and nostrils. I am using Staedtler lead holder with 2 mm 2B lead. You can use any other pencil, there are no differences. First nasal bone, then lateral cartilage, then major alar cartilage, then ala, that is wings of the nose. We are drawing it from front view. Now you will explore its 3/4 view and the side view of the nose. Major alar cartilage, lateral cartilage, ala or wing of the nose, the nasal bone. Now let's draw the nose first. We will draw the position of the eyes and one eye gap in between the two eyes. Nasal bridge will be the 4 times of the retina or the width of the eye. We will draw a circle for the front portion of the nose and 2 ellipses in the sides of the circle for the wings of the nose. Now nose bridge. See the geometry of the nose. Now start shading. Here we will apply light from the front of the nose. First I am using HB pencil. Then we will use 2B and 4B to increase the depth gradually. And we can blend it with the tissue paper. Repeat the process again. and we can use 6B or 8B for the darkest part of the nose, that is nostrils. For highlight we can use kneaded eraser. Now 3/4 view, same process. In another video we will be discussing about the different types of nose.